When should the grinding wheel be repaired? When the following conditions occur during grinding with a grinding wheel, it is necessary to promptly repair the wheel. Slipping: the grinding wheel loses cutting force and becomes a flat surface, just like the tread of a tire is ground flat, losing friction, which can easily lead to slipping. Vibration, noise: this condition is another phenomenon besides slipping, as there is no friction and the grinding wheel surface cannot effectively contact the workpiece. In addition, if the roundness of the grinding wheel is lost and uneven conditions occur, vibration and even noise will be generated. Inaccurate size: the loss of dimensional accuracy indicates that the grinding wheel has lost cutting force to a serious extent and needs to be repaired immediately. Scratches or abnormal grinding patterns on the surface of the workpiece: if scratches appear on the surface of the workpiece, it indicates that the self-sharpening ability of the grinding wheel has begun to decrease. And abnormal grinding patterns usually indicate that the performance of the grinding wheel is starting to have problems.